So with you, I haven't seen you before. Here. And it's nice meeting you. Olive too. Not heard of you.
Yeah.
But it's nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you.
Oh, Erica Mefa. Oh. It's been like 4 years. Right?
It's been so long.
Like 5 years.
Yeah, the
Yes,
first shoot
so
that
short.
we had
Yes.
with
Susu Anan.
Susie Annan, yeah. So that was like the first time we met.
And
And
it has been like
just being like on and off like that. Everybody's just doing their own thing, you know. She got a baby. Yes. She got a baby and stuff like that. So yes, I mean,
boy or girl? Boy.
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah.
All right. But I'm single.
Hey.
It's true.
If you deny him here, he'll deny you there.
Oh, I'm single. He's also like we are not together.
Wow.
Yeah.
How long has this been?
Oh, it's like 2 years.
Oh, already?
Yeah. What happened fast? If you want nothing. I mean, everybody wants to be on their own.